Hello everyone, our project is student management system. And moving to the next slide. And the table of content and the contents we have included is project analysis, project design, development, integration and testing, project evaluation, alternative solution analysis, future work. And these are our team members and these are the work roles we have done. Project analysis, project definition, user requirements, project objectives, nature and scope of a problem. And the problem statement, problem definition, clarity. The problem seems to be the need for a centralized platform for students and admins to access and manage educational and administrative information efficiently. Relevance. This is highly relevant in educational context, where managing numerous students, courses, and results can be cumbersome without a digital solution. Specificity. The problem is fairly specific, creating a portal to streamline and centralize educational administrative tasks. User requirements. For students, access to personal academic information, results, profile, and class routine, course management, ability to register for courses, and account security, feature to change passwords. User requirements. For admins, result management, ability to insert and manage student results, course administration, adding new courses to the portal, student verification, a system to verify and manage student identities and enrollment, attendance tracking, monitor and record student attendance, account management, feature to change the passwords. The main objective of the project is clarity and definition, to create a user-friendly portal that facilitates easy management and access to educational and administrative data for students and admins. Alignment with problem and user needs. The objective align well with the needs of both user segments, addressing key areas like course registration, result management, and profile management. Feasibility. The objectives appear feasible, assuming there are adequate technological resources and expertise. Nature and scope of the problem. Comprehensiveness. The project covers essential areas of education administration and student management. Boundaries. The scope is well defined within the realms of education administration, focusing on result management, course administration, attendance, and personal academic information. Contextual understanding assumes a need for digital transformation in educational settings for better efficiency and accessibility. Additional considerations. Solution suitability. The proposed feature seems to be suitably address the needs of both students and administrators. However, the effectiveness would depend on the execution, user interface design, and system reliability. Engagement and understanding. The project suggests an understanding of the basic needs within an educational administrative context. However, further engagement with actual users like students, teachers, and admin staff could uncover more non-tech requirements. Moving to the next slide. Project design. Student segment features. Home, a dashboard displaying upcoming courses, schedules, and any important announcements. Results, a section where students can view their academic results and performance matrices. Profile, personal information management, including contact details, course enrollment, and academic history. Course registration, an interface for enrolling in new courses with filters for department availability and prerequisites. Class routine, a timetable display for the students' current courses, including time, location, and instructor details. Change password, a security feature allowing students to update their login credentials. And admin segment features. Home, overview of administrative tasks, alerts, and system matrices. Insert result, interface for uploading or manually entering student grades and feedback. Add course, functionality to add new courses, set prerequisites, and assign instructors. Verify student, a verification system for approving new student accounts and managing existing ones. Attendance, a module to track and record student attendance. Change password, feature for admins to securely update their login details. Next will be continued by Shivani.
Hello everyone. I'm going to discuss about the design considerations. These are the areas we have considered for our project design. Those are user interface, and it ensures the clarity and the simplicity with a focus on navigation and responsiveness. The accessibility, design with accessibility in mind, including for those with disabilities. Feedback and error handling, incorporate clear messages and feedback for user actions, especially for the form submissions and data retrieval. Security, ensure secure handling of sensitive data, particularly in login and profile management features. Scalability, design databases and backend processes to handle increasing amounts of data and users efficiently. The project design aims to create a cohesive and user-friendly experience for both student and admins with a focus on functionality, easy to use, and robust data management. Next slide. This is a UML diagram of our project design, which have login pages and the credentials verifications, dashboards, student dashboard, and the admin dashboards, which are interacted with the database. And lastly, it's logout and the end. Next slide. Now we are going to the development. The technologies we have used in our projects are XAMPP, PHP, Ubuntu, AWS EC2, AWS RDS, and MySQL for the database. XAMPP is a local development environment for the testing PHP applications with an integrated MySQL database. PHP is a server-side scripting language used for developing the web applications, and the Ubuntu operating system for the AWS EC2 instance, providing a secure and stable environment. AWS EC2 is a cloud computing platform used to host the web servers for the student portal and the cloud-based relational database service for managing the application's database securely and efficiently. The MySQL is a database management system used for storing and retrieving the data. The project implementation development environment, the local development and testing were conducted using XAMPP on a local machines. PHP was used for the backend development, providing server-side scripting capabilities. Now we're going to see the screenshots of a local development and the PHP of the backend development. This is the local development and this is the PHP. Now, deployment and hosting. The application was deployed on an AWS EC2 instance running Ubuntu, ensuring robust performance and security. AWS RDS was utilized for the database, offering scalability, backup, and security features. Now, my friend will continue the EC2 creation and security groups. Next.
Hello everyone, this is EC2 creation and security groups part. Coming to this, AWS EC2 provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud, allowing users to run and manage server instances on demand. For student management system, EC2 was chosen as the primary hosting service for scalability, reliability, and comprehensive securities. Setup involved configuration in EC2 instances and Ubuntu operating system. This choice was driven to Ubuntu stability and straightforward setup process for the web services, effectiveness on the lower scenarios, and the same scenarios, whatever we have done has been captured in the screen prints. Now you can see on the screen prints, Ubuntu was selected on the screen print. Next one, please. Yeah, we are making a key pair one using DCC project, launching it. Next one. Now the instance is running. You can see on the screen instance running screen print. Next one. This was the security groups login page, screen print, inbound and outbound screen prints. Next one. Yeah, inbound, outbound. Coming to Ubuntu running, after running the Ubuntu, this was the starting page login screen prints. Next one. We are hosting the server here and our login page PHP was running in the Ubuntu server. Next one. Now we are hosting our database also in this screen print. Next one. Yeah, you can see the database hosting. The below is the tables we are using. Tables in portal like admin info, attendance, course offers, course taken, and results, student info. Next one, please. Yep, my friend will continue from here.
Coming to the database management, databases are indispensable for website creations as they serve as a backbone for storing and managing critical data to sites functionality. They enable the dynamic content generation scalability to handle the increasing data and user loads, and also data integrity enforcement and security measures. By providing a structured and efficient way to store and retrieve data, databases ensure that websites can deliver personalized experiences, maintain data consistency, and handle demands of modern web application security. Here we have used MySQL through AWS RDS and for managing data storage, including as the course requirements like user requirements for the storing the student information, details, results, etc. Coming to the next slide, we have created a database using the RDS, and like we have just created according to the user requirements, and we have created the database accordingly, and these are the screenshots for the same, and this is the database which have stored all the information of the users. And coming to the testing phase, we have used exam environment for the testing purposes, like in a local machine. And coming to the next slide, like this is a local machine where we are testing the application which we have developed. Yeah, this is the home page, sign up page for the user at the start of the application, and where they takes all the details of the users, and this is the home page where also sorry dashboard it is, which have the home results profile, the course registration, class routine, and the and necessary password changes for the account information. All the information will be available in this application. That is for the testing phase. Like even in the next slides, the same information. Next will be continued by teammate.
So this is the student portal which we have developed, and this is the course information. This is the passport change options. And coming to the challenges and solutions, database connectivity, establishing a secure connection between the AWS RDS database and the application. And the solution for that one is to implement secure connection strings and IAM rules for secure database access. And for the deployment, ensuring that the application runs smoothly in the cloud environment. And the solution for the development deployment is to regular updates and patches in the Ubuntu server, along with the proper configurations in the SQL instance. And scalability, managing increasing data and user load. And the solution for this one is leverage AWS RDS and EC2 scalability features to handle increased traffic and data. And coming to the security, we would face the challenge of protecting sensitive student and administrative data. And the solution for that one is implementing robust security measures, including SSL and TLS, and to secure the PHP conditions on regular security audits. And for the user experience, to creating an interactive interface for difficult user roles. And the solution is develop a responsive and user-friendly UI. And the alternative solutions for the solution one, AWS EC2 and audience. In this, we are using AWS are using EC2 for hosting and AWS RDS for database management, which offers scalability, managed managed database services, and robust services security features. However, cost can be high maintenance as it's still necessary despite RDS management and technical expertise is required for setting up and managing EC2 instances. And coming to the solution two for the AWS Amplify and DynamoDB, which involves using AWS Amplify for application development and DynamoDB for a NoSQL database. Amplify simplifies development, while DynamoDB offers fast and scalable database services. However, these cons and ultimate decision which can be taken between these solutions depends on specific project requirements. And next slide will be continued by my teammate.
So yeah, now I am explaining about the further development. So the integration of advanced analytics and machine learning. The description implements machine learning algorithm to analyze student data for insight into performance scores, preference, and learning pattern. And the benefits are like the personalized learning experiences, predictive analytics for academic success, and data-driven decision making for administrations, enhanced user experience and interface design. The description regularly update the user interface to make it more intuitive and engaging, incorporate user feedback to improve navigation and accessibility. And the benefits are like increased user satisfaction, the better engagement, and easier navigation for both students and administrations. The next slide, please. Now, the coming to the cloud integration and optimization. There are like the serverless architecture. That means like the renting computer power as needed, no server maintenance, and the auto scaling is like resources scale. It shows like up and down to match the demand automatically on the itself. On the cloud front, it's like deliver content faster globally by catching it closer to user enhanced and security measures. Next slide, please. The enhanced security measurements. In this, advanced encryption is like the extra protection for sensitive data by turning it into secret code, and the regular security audits. It means like the routine check to find and fix potential security weakness. The multi-factor authentication. It means add extra login security by requiring more than just it's a password or like a code sent to your phone. And the data analytics and reporting, in this AWS QuickSight integration, it makes it easy to understand and visualize data trends and insights, and real-time data processing. It means instantly analyze data as it comes in and allowing for quick decision making based on the current information. Then next slide. And the conclusion, the student portal project is like a super change tool for schools. It makes things smoother for both students and administrators by using fancy technology like AWS. It's like having a super safe and flexible system that can adapt to whatever anyone needs. So it's basically making school life easier and better for everyone involved. And thank you, everyone.